Hey Curly Teas! Today let's make a softening, smoothing, watermelon seed-based cream using a cascade of humectants and a gentle AHA meant to give you supple, renewed skin. Starting out with distilled water, of course. When you're making anything, always use distilled or deionized water. Like, never use tap water for any reason, for anything. Tap water, especially if it's hard water, contains minerals that may affect the outcome of your product.
Some girls use a lubricating cream or lotion to prevent skin roughness or chapping.
TSGD, or tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, is a chelator that helps boost the effectiveness of your preservative. It's an alternative to EDTA. Betaine or sugar beet extract is a great humectant that adds a watery, hydrated feeling. Blue spirulina powder is a gorgeous blue color and is often used as a natural food color. The powder itself dissolves quite well in water and gives this brilliant blue depending on how much you use. You can also try blue butterfly pea flower powder if you already have it, but make sure it doesn't leave any grittiness in your water. Now, since I'm only using a very small amount here, the body cream will have a very light blue to a sort of bluish greenish tint. Make room for the fact that the color will lighten because of the creamy nature of the mix when you're deciding how much to add at this point. Okay, for a long time, glycerin got a bad rep. Glycerin is actually a great ingredient. It's a readily available humectant that draws in moisture. It can also help keep your physical product from drying out and cracking over time. Xanthan Gum Soft is the only version of xanthan gum I would recommend. Like, if you had to use a xanthan gum in skincare, this is the only one I would recommend. It's optional here, but Xanthan Gum Soft has been specifically formulated to feel softer and to be less stringy than regular xanthan. Traditionally, xanthan is used to improve the stability of a product. Now, you may or may not need that here, considering the emulsifier I'm about to use, but I wanted to see what benefit it would add in this formula. If you don't have it though, you don't have to go out and find it, okay? You can skip it entirely. Pour a little of the water phase into the slurry first. Mix well, then pour that into the rest of the water phase. Become a member at CURLYTEA to get access to all of the niche handmade DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, full instructions, my notes, and other related information. The final product is a silky, softening, easy to apply cream that glides on with a slickness that I prefer. The color becomes this bluish tint that's appealing to the eye. This cream, I think, works better in a jar than a pump bottle or a squeeze bottle. It will actually thicken a little over the next 2 days and create the stiff peaks often associated with a cream containing a gum in the water phase, like what we did here. This blue Watermelon Renewal Cream also contains an AHA, which will help get rid of dead skin and soften rough skin. You may also notice a slight radiant shine because of the combo of the AHAs and the cascade of humectants I've used here. Now, don't be afraid to use this nightly, but be mindful about how sensitive your skin is to AHAs. In that case, start out using it about 2 to 3 times a week maybe. You should notice shinier and softer skin fairly quickly unless your skin needs a much heavier, deeply moisturizing sealant on top of that. Now, in that case, try a little Black Seed Moisture Lock Sealer right after using this. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of this community. If you are a member and you have signed up, I appreciate that. You are the backbone of this channel. You are the backbone of this website. So continue to participate. Or if you are thinking about becoming a member, go ahead, girl, and sign up. Come on in. If you are watching this at YouTube, check out the next formula, or you can just continue to watch, take a break, and relax for a while.